Hello, I am here to talk to you about our Mystic Fortune bracelet. And look at it, it's super cool. Look at all that greenness in here. So this is plated quartz. Plated quartz is a quartz that has, they usually use high grade metals, gold, silver, and then it's vaporized and then it clings on to the quartz, and then it has this beautiful finish. So we have this plated quartz, and this one has green, and I don't know, Nancy, can you see the purples in there?
Mm-hmm.
What else do you see? I see some blue. Yeah. Now, what does this color make you think of? Abundance. Maybe even money. So we call this Mystic Fortune, and it is supposed to be good luck. We added a sterling silver Navajo bead and copper spacers on either side. And you do remember what is made out of copper and sterling was coins, our US money. So that even brings in another aspect of abundance and fortune in our Mystic Fortune. So we have like the dollar bill, we have the coins, we have some brass spacers. Now if you're going to go to Las Vegas with this bracelet, what makes it really cool is the brass spacers are, what do they call them? Not hypoallergenic, they are antimicrobial. So at Disney World, all of the handles are made out of brass. So no matter how many times they get touched, it sort of is a self-cleaning aspect of it with the brass. So perfect if you want to go someplace where everyone's touching everything, like Las Vegas. So this is the Mystic Fortune bracelet. And we're going to make it for you, or we're going to come out with a kit, or we have the pieces. So take it away, Nancy. Here are all the things it takes to make this. Okay, we have the 8mm daisy spacers. You only need 2 to highlight your Navajo sterling silver bead. I'll talk about that in just a second. A half strand of plated crystal quartz, that's gem 2439. Oh, I forgot to tell you, if you want to buy any of these things, all you have to do is comment sold. So comment in your messenger or in your chat, unless you're in YouTube. If you're in YouTube, you need to text us. Comment selling does not work on YouTube. So YouTube friends, so sorry, text us, web chat us, we will get you these things. If you're on Facebook though, you're going to type in sold space M1214, and you need 2 of these spacers, these copper ones, that's your pennies. You will need a strand of this. We sell these in half strands. A half strand is about 8 inches, so that's gonna fit most of you, and even some of you will have enough to do matching earrings. So you're gonna sold gem 2439. Which way? This way. Right there. And then, oh, you guys don't even know how hard it is when you're doing mirror images. Then we have these brass antimicrobials, bead spacers. This is going to go in between all of the green beads. This was Jason's idea. He was like, let's put something in between. And it looks really nice. It really does. And then Pauline, she helped us, and she wanted the Navajo sterling silver bead in the center. So what this is, it is a take on a Native American sterling silver bead. They used to make this, they call it bench made by hand. Each individual one would be hammered to become round, soldered, the 2 halves together, and then you make a sterling silver bead. These are now made in China in sterling, and then they're brought back to the US to get antiqued and polished, still in Native American, I think, tribal areas, so that it still has that touch, that flavor of being a Navajo bead. So all of these together make the mystic fortune. You can make this on your own. If you have questions, let us know. But I think that if you want to feel lucky and you like the color of money on your wrist, coin money, and paper money, we got you covered. Okay, have a great day and thank you very much. Aloha!